Look at Look at my pretty little angel. He's having a nice sleep. I think I should wake him up. Hey, Blackbird, wake up! Wake up! Wake up! What's wrong, Dad? I don't know if you're asleep or something. Where's Mom? Oh, she's at work. And also today you're going to third grade. Third grade? Yeah, you're going to school. School? Yep, school. But I don't have school. Well, you have school. You have school today. Oh. But people are going to be smarter than me, and they're going to pick on me. And they're going to be smarter, and they're going to beat me up. Oh, that's not going to happen. You and your crazy imagination. No, I'm being serious. Listen, don't start this again with me. Just tell Chef Donald Duck to cook something to eat, damn it. Okay. Alright, let's just go to school and you better not get in trouble. Hey, Chef Donald Duck. Well, you need to make me something to eat. Why? Because it's like a school day and I don't want to miss the bus, so can you drive me? Because if I walk to school, it's going to take like 15 minutes. Listen, I was in the bus before, okay? And I know that I was in the bus in 1981. 1981? Yes. But how old are you? I am 39. No, so I'm 11. Yeah. Oh, come on. Let's just go and make breakfast. Okay. Okay, Blackbird, what do you want for breakfast? I can make a nice fresh omelet. What's an omelet? It's eggs. Ew, eggs? Birds have eggs. It's gross. Listen, birds lay eggs, and some of the eggs have yolk, and some of the eggs have chicks. So, that doesn't matter, so you need to eat omelets. Omelets are good for you. Can I eat something else? Fine. What do you want to eat? Hold on, I'll be right back. I don't know what he's doing. Oh, alright, Chef Donald Duck, so this is what I want for breakfast. What is that supposed to be? It's rich tea. Rich tea? Is it made from Tesco? I don't know. Because if it's going to be from Tesco, then I'm not going to give you it, so. I'm sorry, but it's made from Tesco, so sorry, you cannot eat that. What? Why? Listen, Tesco is last, and we're going to have this for supper, I promise. Oh, but I want it now! No, you cannot have it now. I got something else. Boo! Chef Donald Duck, this is what I need. What? Blackbird, you idiot! What? Play-Doh? That's what you want for breakfast? Yeah? Blackbird, you're such an idiot! Play-Doh's not for breakfast! What do you mean? It has chemicals in it! Chemicals? Yeah, chemicals! What's that? It's like when you have, like, diabetes. I'm not gonna get diabetes. Yes, you will. We're gonna get sick. No. Did you ever try to eat Play-Doh before? No, because the S says Play-Doh. You know what? I can just starve for a whole day then. You know what? Fine. Eat the Play-Doh. How do I open this? How do you open this? Oh. There. Alright. Alright, Blackbird. Eat the Play-Doh. Eat the Play-Doh. Yay. Yeah, eat the Play-Doh. Eat the Play-Doh. You know. Oh, yay. Oh, this is my first time eating Play-Doh. Whatever. Just let's go to the car. We're gonna be late for school. Alright, Blackbird. We're here at school. So get off So get off the car. No, wait, I finished making my Play-Doh pizza. Oh, something special, huh? Yeah, you should take a bite. Well, go ahead. Well, I'm not in the mood for Play-Doh pizza anymore, so I'm not gonna have it. Oh, so you changed your mind? Yeah. You were complaining all about Play-Doh, so you don't want it? Yeah, it's gonna make me sick, but goodbye, Chef Donald Duck. Whatever, Blackbird. I'm gonna drive this all the way home. Oh, first grade's gonna be so hard. Everyone's gonna pick on me and be smarter than me. You got this, Blackbird. You got this. I'm here, everybody. Oh my God, is that actually Blackbird? Yay, Blackbird! Yay! 10 or 10. 10 or 10. No one likes your 10 or 10. Wait, hey, Blackbird! Oh, hello, everybody. What's up? What's going? Sit next to me, dude. Sit next to me. No, sit next to me. Sit next to me. No, sit next to me. Sit next to me. No, sit. Blackbird, don't listen to them. Do you remember all the good times we had? Yeah. Come on, sit next to me. I'm going to be all around you guys. There's only one seat for me left. I'm going to be all around you guys. Okay. So, who's going to be the teacher? I don't know. I don't know, man. Hey, guys, what's up? Hey, smell my feet. Smell my feet. Come on. I know you want to. Come on. Oh my God, her feet smells bad. Why did you never take a shower? 'Cause I didn't want to anyway. Hey guys. They dance. I hate you. Hey Yoshi. Hi. What's up? Nothing. Let's just wait for the teacher. Yeah. Hello everybody. Welcome to class. My name is Mr. Charlie. So it's spelled as Mr. Charlie. Yeah. Okay, alright, so my name is Mr. Charlie. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna do a roll. So sons. Here. What? Oh, you didn't hear me? Here. What? What's wrong with this guy? Here. What? I'm here. Right here. Where are you, sons? I said here. Oh, that's your sons. I'm not sons. So, Yoshi. I'm not Yoshi. I'm not Yoshi. I'm Yoshi. Here. Oh, okay. Pikachu. Here. Alright, Spurs. Here. You know what? I'm done with roll. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna show you what I had for breakfast. So I have the pancake. And I'm gonna do this. Man, this teacher sucks. I know, man. I'm gonna play on my phone. No! What was that? Did I hear a phone? Ah! Oh no, the teacher's coming. I need to switch on my phone. Did you have a phone? No, not at all. Well, you're lying. No, I'm not lying. I'm not lying. Well, what? Well, why is the phone on? Oh, you have a phone. Hey, give me. Help! I broke my hip. And I pooped. What's on? You made this. The teacher broke his hip. I didn't mean to, dude. Hold on, I'll get the doctor. Ah! An apple a day keeps like the cancer away. Where's the nurse? Oh, there it is. Hello, little boy. Does your stomach hurt? No, the teacher broke his hip. Damn it, where is he at? Hold on. Oh, where is he at? Oh my God! Charlie, are you okay? Help! No, I'm not. I just broke my hip and I stole my kidney. Everyone, please calm down. Don't feel so emotional. I'm gonna take you to the hospital. No phones allowed. I'm gonna take you to the principal. I hope he's okay. Oh no, not the principal. I'm back. Hello, failures. Oh dear God. Welcome back. No, it's not stupid. Hello, failures. To your first day at third grade. Anyway, failures, I want to say welcome to your first day of elementary school because of that stupid coronavirus. And also, someone's going to be the replacement teacher. Is the replacement going to be you? No! I'm not going to teach those brats. Also, the teacher is coming out now. Hello, guys. I'm Pingu's mom. And today, I'm going to be your teacher. And look, I can see your beautiful faces. Let's start the class. Yay! Pingu's mom's the teacher. Yeah, I know, dude. Yeah, high five, Sonic. Oh, not so hard, dude. Sorry. Hello, guys. Welcome back. It has been like 1 year since I didn't see you. Hold on, let me talk to the principal. You guys can talk. while I talk to the principal. Yay, guys, we can talk! Finally. So what do you think about my feet? It smells so bad. What the heck is wrong with you, man? Finally, this teacher's so stupid. Man, he's like 1 billion years old. Yeah, I know. Yeah, dude. Also, why would you make your teacher broke his hip anyway? I don't know, dude. He's like almost snatched the phone on me, and he fell on the floor, dude. Yeah. And that is why I need a replacement teacher, because the other teacher has broke his hip. Oh, that's poor teacher. I'm going to be the replacement teacher. But you need to tell them that you're not going to be here every day. Okay, I think I'll do that. Alright, guys, settle down. Alright, class. So today, you're not going to have any lunch today, because this is going to be a half hour. Yeah, half hour. And also, today, you have homework on the first day. Homework on the first day? Dude, sucks. Yes, I love homework. Because you know what that means, dude, right? Yeah. Here I go again. Ugh. Alright, class. So today, your homework assignment is going to be spelling. And today's spelling, I don't know what spelling is going to be, but shut up, it's cool, okay? So, does anyone have any questions? Yeah, like, what happens if we don't, return it until Friday? Oh, I forgot. Every homework is going to be due to Friday. And if it's not going to be due, if you don't do your homework until Friday strikes, then you're dumb. And you have to go all the way back to summer school, because that's how dumb you are. And also, you have to do homework on your break time, your lunch time, and your golden time. So, that's your homework. Why did the teacher leave? I know. Is that the end of school, dude? It's the end of school. Yeah, it's the end of school. I'm gonna see you all tomorrow, guys. Bye. Hey, do you wanna play Kenner? Hey, alright, pick a choose a truth or dare. Dare? I dare you to play Kenner pretend with me. No! Oh man. What's going on, Blackbird? Did you get in trouble? No, school's awful. Yeah, I know. So, huh? Did you get by on this pizza? Oh, it was me, but they gave me homework on the first day. Also, the teacher has broke his hip. Wow, it's quite a bad day, isn't it? Yeah, I hope tomorrow's gonna be better. But can you take me to Chuck E. Cheese's to make me feel better? Here we go again. Well, fine, let's go to Chuck E. Cheese. Oh. What's wrong? I have a stomach ache. I need to go to the hospital. Oh no. Well, I shouldn't have ate that pizza then. See, I told you it's going to have chemicals. It's going to give you diabetes. Well, you shouldn't eat the pizza then. I'll just throw it away somewhere far. Oh my God, Blackbird, you're an idiot! I need to go to the hospital. And that is what happened in Blackbird's first day of 3rd grade. The end.